In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also Ultra 2. So first, on your watch, you simply want to swipe up and access your Play Store. And in the Play Store, go into search and simply search for WhatsApp. Okay. And you see we have the WhatsApp Messenger here, so let's click install. Also, to set up the WhatsApp, you also need to have the WhatsApp installed on your phone, since we have to log in through the phone app. So again, make sure you have on both. And it will take probably maybe like 2 or 3 minutes for to download and install. And once installed, it will get placed at the end of your app list. So you can launch it. So have your phone ready. As you see, it will automatically open up this on your phone. And next we need to pair both these. So click pair and also confirm here. So it's simply linking account to this watch now. But you can also use the WhatsApp even if you do not have your phone in range, if you have the LTE version. So it simply logs you in as an additional user basically to your WhatsApp account. So, and all your contacts will appear here. So I only have one contact on this account, but yeah, see, you can also see the history, and also you'll see all the pictures and videos sent as well. And you can obviously also send voice messages, for example. Hello, this. Hey, what's up, sucker? How are you doing today? Let's send it. So if I check my phone, I see the message arrives. Hey, what's up, sucker? How are you doing today? So, and also obviously we can type as well. So also we have these quick presets, so you can quickly tap to send something. We also can reply with, for example, emojis. So see, for example, you can send emoji here. Or yeah, we can also type. Send it. Get sent. And also we can use voice typing as well. If you click on the keyboard here and you swipe up and click this microphone now. So now we are using the voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Yeah, so see, absolutely awesome. And also if someone sends you a picture, for example, so let's take picture. And I'll send myself. You will see it also will arrive here. Okay, if you click it from the notifications, you won't be able to see it. You have to actually go in the WhatsApp app to be able to see the picture that someone sent you. So you see, yep, you can also send a picture. And yeah, if someone sends you something, you see, it comes straight away to your watch. I have my notifications kind of disabled, so it doesn't show for me, but yeah. If you haven't messed around with your notifications, you also see pop-up. Also, we can call as well to this watch. So for example, let me call myself. I see incoming call, so we can pick it up or also deny. Hey, what's up? So now we are calling through WhatsApp. Yep. I see, absolutely brilliant. The only negative is we can't actually call from the watch itself to another user. But yeah, if someone calls, you can definitely pick up the call, just that you can't call from the watch itself, which I think is a bit ridiculous. Yeah, apart from that, yeah, it works superb. Good luck.